Hello. In this presentation, we would like to show you how to do Proboscis extension response assay in Drosophila. Proboscis extension response, or PER, is a taste behavior assay that has been used in flies as well as in honeybees. When the proboscis makes contact with an attractive substance, the fly extends its proboscis to consume the substance. Solutions of various sugars such as sucrose, glucose, fructose are very attractive to the fly. PER can also be observed by a contact made to the leg, but we would like to focus on the contact to the proboscis in this presentation. So the first step for PER assay is to starve the fly. Optimizing the starvation condition is one of the most important factors for this assay. And there are two major things which are important here. One is the starvation time, and the other is the body size of the fly prior to starvation. And there seems to be a positive correlation between these two, and if the fly is big and fat, you need to starve the fly more. Now, the body size depends on the nutrition of the fly food and the density of the flies in the vial. So let me show you a good example, and you can see in this vial that the flies are not overcrowded. There are about, about 100 to 150 pupae on the vial. So as soon as the fly closes from here, you would like to keep them in a fresh food for another 3 to 5 days. Then transfer them to an empty vial which has a piece of paper. This is kept moist all the time, and the starvation time can vary